with you from Autohaus of Naples, and today I have the ultimate of the ultimate SUV, and it's a 2014 Porsche Cayenne Turbo S, which means it's the best of the best. This is a one-owner car here locally that we bought from a gentleman here in Naples, Florida. As you can see, it's finished in white on the exterior, and in the interior you have the natural leather, which is espresso and cognac finish. And some of the, you can see the velour up here, and some of the wood grain is actually, here you go, you can see it's a yachting mahogany. So very beautiful, definitely an added accent. In fact, so many upgrades, almost 18,000 in upgrades in this car. And this is one of them, these leather bound handles, which I do have the window sticker that I wanted to show you as well. 164,900 original MSRP on this car, and all the options right here. And of course, it definitely has a sporty look, which is a $5,655 dollar upgrade. It's the Sport Design Package with side skirts. So awesome machine, 550 horsepower, and I can tell you, you can feel it when you are in the driver's seat, and especially if you are just in the car at all. And you can see the xenon lights here. Nice, beautiful front end. This also does gauge the distance between you and the person in front of you when you're on cruise control. It has your adaptive cruise control. So basically, if you get too close to somebody, it will slow down and keep the distance that you have in between you and the car in front of you. 4.8 liter V8 turbo engine S, of course, because it is your turbo sport Cayenne, and it produces 550 horsepower, and it has a torque of 550 foot-pounds. So it is incredible. I'm telling you, absolutely incredible to drive and ride. I really think that this is the ultimate sports SUV, and of course it's the perfect colors. Even if your friend has one of these, I guarantee they don't have one that's identical to this. There's your nice wheels, your red brake calipers, which gives it just that added sporty look and feel. Your keyless entry is going to be a problem when your car is locked and you want to show it. Give me 1 second to unlock the vehicle. I apologize for that. All about those safety features, I assume. So you can see the nice leather. It looks like somebody's ever fought in it. It is under warranty for another year. And we have just over 17,000 miles. So basically, no mileage, well, I mean 17,000 of it, but it's awesome to have the low mileage. There's all of your functions for your multi-contour seating here, and there's no way you can't be comfortable in that seat. If you say you're not comfortable in this car, then you need to maybe go see the psychiatrist, because that definitely gives you every option of being comfortable that you can basically have. Here's your nice sunshade that you can control as well from the driver's side, and here's the handles, and which I mentioned once again. Here, enough room for anything and everything. You can also cover whatever you have back here, and these are going to be your tie downs, so if you have something back here that you don't want moving around, you can actually strap and tie them down. We have books in this car. We also obviously have the window sticker, which I'm showing you. There's your spare tire and your jack and everything else that you would actually need should you have to change the tire in this car. Your parking sensors as well, as you can see, that's indicative of parking sensors, and your quad exhaust. So I'm going to take it out on a test drive, and actually while we're still outside, I'm going to show you the panoramic roof from the outside. I don't know how well you can see that, but it looks awesome from the inside. So I am going to take it out and show you how it rides. All right, I'm going to get it started up for you. As always, you start your vehicle from the left side of the steering wheel with the Porsche. There's your backup camera. And 17,556 miles on the odometer. And get us into drive here. I believe I am in sport mode. Here we go. Marianne's default setting. And I have the cooled seats on tonight. However, you do have the option of the heated or cold seats. XM, AM, FM, CD, navigation, Bluetooth, anything, everything this car is equipped with. And that certainly includes that 550 horsepower underneath the hood of this bad beast. And the stitching throughout, it's probably pretty difficult to see right now because we are getting towards sunset, but it matches all through the door. So if you see over here, the leather and the stitching comes all the way through the dash as well. And you have sort of your, I believe it's like a velvet suede. Yeah, your suede headliner, which is an espresso, which is a dark chocolate brown. Once again, like always, we're trying to beat the sunset. We do work at the dealership all day as well. There's your panoramic roof, awesome from the inside, and your chrono clock as well up here. Here's some of your excuse me, what is this called, Peter? Your trip data, basically. Yeah. So here you have your off-road, which is your four-wheel drive, and of course your on-road, your comfort, normal, sport mode. So that's your suspension all through here, and as well as your level here. When I drove down the driveway, you would have noticed that the car was sort of sitting low. This is going to be where you control that. So I am now at a normal level, and it tells you a normal level has been selected. So the suspension on the vehicle raises, and you'll be able to see that from the outside. You feel it whenever you sit inside. Here's another example of that yachting mahogany. And these handles alone were, I believe, a $1,300 upgrade. And they really did this car a lot of justice because it gives it that like added beauty and feel. I had somebody who was looking at the car with me today, and he is shocked by how no details have gone unnoticed and undone in this car. Like they really did a good job at building this vehicle. I'm going to slow it down.
You know why I buy that car?
Because of what's underneath the hood?
Yeah.
Or because of what's driving it right now?
Oh, it's underneath the hood.
Maybe that's why. Listen to the engine.
Yeah, awesome.
Wow.
It's just an awesome
wow,
machine.
That is sick. That
Almost
really
enough
is.
power.
Yeah, unbelievable.
I like an ML63 also, but this would be my choice, I think.
Yeah, no, this is definitely I think everybody's dream SUV. I don't know. This is a sick car. I'm not just driving it in the video. I actually drive these cars and see how they handle, and I'm telling you, this is definitely top of the line, the best of the best. Give us a call. It's 239-263-8500. I know that was fast. I can see my camera guy rolling his eyes. 239-263-8500. You may also find us online, and that's at autohausnaples.com. House is H-A-U-S. And my name is Marianne, and I will see you guys on the next one.